guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna open the talking birds. It says the talking birds. Look at here, guys. And then she will talk. Let's open it. Look, guys, what I have. I have a talking bird. My one is pink. Ava's one is blue. Let's do it, guys. Gee. Okay. Okay, talking birds. It's missing. It's so beautiful and colorful. But she can sit on my way too. Like when you go in the garden, there's a talking bird upstairs, and when she gets in my hand, she will do like this, and she will talk for me and speak it. All the guys, we put the batteries inside. Now let's see how they can speak. What's your name? Put the finger on this button and press it, and it will say English. Eva, please be my bed again. Kiss me. Bed. Let's speak with English. Yay! Okay, I press this button and you're gonna press it again, but it has all the spots. Hello. What's your name? Did you love me? Do you love me? Wait. Do you love me? Please subscribe to my channel. Wait a second, Eva. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. I met a little rabbit hopping on his way. I said, where are you going? It's such a lovely day. I said, where are you going? It's such a lovely day. Don't hinder me away. I take you on the Easter eggs and Easter day. It's so exciting. Now let's see if she speaks Georgian. Gamajoba. Zogolahan. Zogolahan. They can speak together. Hello. Boo boo. Eva. Eva. Z. A B C D. E F G. E F G. E F G. Guys, did you like my talking bird? Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Milk. Colorful.